I bought just a few raffle tickets there, 50/50s. Some awesome hot rods here. There's so many awesome hot rods here. And there's a mix of everything. Just a little bit of everything here. Go right into a Mustang. We're selling 50/50s as you heard in the background. Look at this thing. And then you go right into a Camaro. It's just everything here. There's so many. There's just blocks and blocks and blocks of cars. It's incredible. Look at this. You literally turn around from the Camaro we were just looking at, and there's 3 Thunderbirds. These colors are just awesome. I don't even have words about how cool and awesome these. I mean, they're just so vintage Americana. It's awesome. Look at these things. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at it. Just take a minute and look at that shot right there. That's incredible. That one was the yellow one was says I'm a 55. This is 57. 57. So that's awesome. Look at that. Seriously, I turn around from the Thunderbirds to check this out, and I kid you not, there's another Thunderbird right here. There's so many cars here. Forgive the wind. There's so many cars here. It's just amazing. There's everything here. There's 4 Fords right in a row here. And again, forgive the wind. There's 4 Fords here right in a row. Look at this. Amazing. Really, really appreciate all these vehicles, a variety, everyone coming out. Real quick, I just noticed, Save from the Scrapyard. Big thumbs up to this guy for doing that, saving this truck. That's awesome. Right across the way from the truck here, we go right into some Hemi action. Look at this thing, it's a beast. There's my hand. There's the engine. It's just a monster. Then it's parked. There's a Mustang. And then it's parked right behind this Camaro here. Look at the tires. The tires should tell you what's under the hood. Look at this. This is incredible. Let's look in the interior here. And then let's check out under the hood. Look at that. 68 Camaro. That's incredible. And I haven't even scratched the surface, folks. Stay to the end of the video. I mean, there's this block, the next block. I just walked through about 4 blocks too. It's incredible. Look at this sitting here. And they go right into the ranch wagon. Look at this. It's awesome. Look at this. It's not the fault of the AMX. It'd be awesome if the AMX was white, so you'd have red, white, and blue, and you had Ford, Chevy, and AMC. But it's still such an awesome representation of all the cars that are here. There's just so many cars here, so many varieties. I've seen more Ford Falcons here than I've seen at any point in my life. It's amazing. Everywhere you turn, there's something. There's a Coronet. There's a couple other awesome things down this way. Let me show you the other stuff down this way here. Look at this thing. It's just immaculate. Got this guy sitting here. The Mustang sitting here chilling. And then we're like in the back corner. We're like off on the side. And these cars are just sitting there. It's amazing. Blazer. It's a Ranchero. Check out the interior. The interior actually smells like it's brand new. Like it literally is like a month old or something, like a new car smell. And look at these, I noticed in the live stream, look at those valve covers there. It's pretty neat. I've never seen them, like those shorty valve covers there. There's so many cars here. Just everywhere you turn. There's a GTO here. Look at this. And then if you walk down this way here, there's a black on black GTO right here. Look at this. Walking right past the Camaro. Going right for the GTO. Look at this thing.
It's a job just walking.
Look at this. It's awesome. There's a Camaro. Fox body. Everywhere you turn, it's awesome. Everywhere you turn, there's just so many awesome cars. It's amazing. So I'm here.
You missed this.
I'm here with D. Damien. D's all in. Make sure you like and subscribe. He's like, oh yeah, there's a whole other parking lot full of cars that I almost left without seeing. So yeah, so I'm gonna walk around and check these out right now as well. Look at this thing. This Bronco. It's incredible. There's so many cars here. There's another Bronco right here.
I just like to go. Wow, you know. See y'all. Three.
There's just so many cars here. It's awesome. Look at this thing. Such a beast. Look at this Impala. This thing is awesome. Look at this. Look at this right here. It's amazing. Look at this beast. There's almost too much to look at here, which is a problem you always want to have. Look at all these things. Just boom, one right after another, after another. Saw this guy at Puzzled last year. Big show coming up in Lynchburg, Virginia. Puzzled. This is a Zimmer Golden Spirit. I think it's built on a late 80s, like a Lincoln town car chassis or something like that. But they're pretty limited. You don't see really many of them at all. And then it's sitting right next to the heavy Chevy. Nice Ford pickup here. Got a car sticker on the side here. I cannot believe I almost walked by this parking lot without going into it. There's some real showstoppers in here. There's a little bit of everything too. Look at this. It's amazing.
Little cheesecake.
Convertible too. Can't forget the Hotrods here. Got to make sure you include them in the video. Got two of them sitting right next to each other. This thing's really, really looking awesome. Nice easy access for engine repair and maintenance. Look at this Torino. Look at this thing, Cobra Jet. Boom. Look at this, it's amazing.
Y'all do.
1970 Torino Cobra sports roof. Look at this thing. Another black on black. It's amazing. It's awesome. Can't end the video without some Impala action. Look at that. We just saw a Cyclone a minute ago, and boom, I turn around. There's a GT too. It's awesome. 302 in it. Yeah, if you've never been to this show in Covington, it's definitely worth going. I've probably seen, I don't know, 200, 300, probably more than 300 cars. And there's just so much of everything here. It's just phenomenal. Some Silverado for you here. A little 5.3 action inside here for you. And that's parked right next to this guy. Look at this. What do we got here? It is a Pinto. Look at that. That's awesome. And then the Pinto is right next to not one, oh, excuse me, not one, but two Firebirds. And this one is a convertible. This is actually a pretty rare bird, forgive my pun. But let me show you the thing on this, the sign, 69 Firebird. And this is what it looked like when I got it. 11,649. Look at this engine. Something just fired up down here. I'm going to try and catch that, but look at this engine. Awesome to see these two Firebirds right next to each other. All right, folks, that's going to wrap this up. Falcon just left. Really, really awesome show here in Covington. Definitely check it out. Check out the live stream. Link is in the description as well for the live stream. And we'll end you with this guy. And there's a nice hot rod down here for you. We'll end you with this. But with that, thanks for watching.